Hey, it's Rafael Castillo, Senior Planner at the City of River Beach. Hopefully you watched how to do a site plan YouTube video, and that was hopefully really good for you to learn how to do a site plan on your own. But our next step as a part of the STR application is doing a floor plan. So there's two ways you can go about this. Either one, you can come down to City Hall anytime, Monday through Friday, between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. and request a street file record, and that's a record of your house, and we will help you walk you through a floor plan and get the copies that you need. Or you can go ahead and create a floor plan on your own utilizing the site plan method that we used in the last video that you saw on how to create a site plan. So if you don't know how to do that, enjoy. Okay, so after we are done with our site plan, now we got to do a floor plan. So we're going to do the same thing all over again. Again, utilizing Google Docs, 1148 Marabella Court. Let's type that in, but this time we'll do Marabella Court hyphen floor plan. Very similar to what we did with the site plan. So we're just going to file, then we're going to hit page setup, and let's again turn this back into a landscape setup, give us a bigger room to work with. And then again, we're going to go back to our snippet that we did of the house, file, copy, and then go to insert, again go to drawing, new, and then we're going to copy this. So we're going to right click and copy, and there it is. And as you can see, it tells us Control V for paste. All right, fine. Google will Control V to paste, and there it is. There's our site plan that we worked on earlier, same image, and we're going to do the same exact thing. Is we're going to polyline this house out. So again, we're going to polyline the house and just sort of create sort of this backbone of what a house is going to be. So again, this step is actually really critical to get correct. And and accidentally did not close this, and that's a-okay. So let's go ahead and try that again. We'll go to shapes again. So go to click, polyline. Again, what we're doing is we're setting up to do our floor plan. So we're just doing the outline of the house, because generally speaking, an outline of the house will provide you the ability to do a floor plan. And again, this is something you could totally do at your own computer. Highly recommend you do it on a Mac or PC. You can even do it on a Chromebook if you have a mouse, but again, do not recommend doing it on an iPad. So here, let's change the transparency to white, all white right there, and then we're gonna hit, then again, let's go ahead and delete out our background image, because we're not going to need it. We're doing a floor plan. So we're going to right click this. Let's edit the points out. Let's straighten this out a little bit. Again, the earth is not flat, and the roof lines aren't flat either. So we're just going to do some straight lines. Again, doesn't need to be perfect, and I'm just showing you how to do a floor plan. And we're just going to if you right click, you can edit these points and get them as straight as possible. But again, this is really just a tutorial for you to do a floor plan on your own digitally. So we're going to again use our line tools here, and then you're just going to draw a line, and you see it just automatically drew one line. We're going to straighten it out there, and then that's the area that you mainly want to do your floor plan in. So we're eventually going to enlarge that, so don't worry about that. And we'll go to polyline, and let's just make a random room out of just these two lines. I really don't know what's going on in this floor plan. And there, make an L shape, and let's go ahead and mark what that room is. So we're going to use a text box tool, and we're going to put here bedroom. So that signifies to us that is a bedroom. And then that, front portion of the house, it looks like a garage. Let's label it as such. So again, use the text box tool, type in garage, and then we're going to move it right over there. So again, that's generally what you need for a floor plan. Similar to a site plan, we got a floor plan example on our website. Let's click on floor plan. And there you can see right there, this is what we're looking for. It actually happens to be a floor plan of my house. We need a smoke detector. So again, similar to site plan, get some shapes, get right there. We'll make a little square, double click inside, put an S, voila. That right there is a smoke detector that's required in our bedroom. Again, we can change the colors of it. Let's change a little orange. And again, save and close, and it pops in. So eventually you want to draw all that. You can enlarge it too, which will help the reader to see what's going on. And you can see I'm a little imperfect, but you generally get the concept. Again, you can always back in, right click, edit, and there you go, save and close. So you can just edit as you need to. Again, similar, you can save this in Google Docs. We want to print this out. We want to download this as a PDF. So you want to hit PDF document. You can either print it, download it as a PDF. That's what you need to save it, so we can upload it onto our online system. So again, the great thing about Google Docs is it automatically saves for you. So if you walk away and come back to it, it's saved. And so that right there is a demonstration of how you do a floor plan. And then I brought it up right there. There's the floor plan I just did in PDF, and that's what we're going to upload it. Just to make sure, save as it comes along. Again, choose something, this instance, desktop, folder, whatever to your heart content. Again, just make sure it's in an area where you can get to and be able to easily access it when you actually go through the application process. And again, click on the dock there in the left-hand corner. You see the site plan that we just did, the floor plan that we just did. Everything's automatically saved, and there he goes, brought it up, easy peasy. Well, hopefully that concludes how to make a floor plan utilizing Google Docs and free software that's available to you. Again, if you have any questions in regards to a short-term rental application, how to fill one information you need, go ahead and please give us a call at area code 805-473-4520, or go ahead and visit us anytime at City Hall at 154 South 8th Street here in the city of Grover Beach. We're available to you between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Have a great day.